Hello, everybody. For like around 5 to 10 minutes, we will be just thanking everybody, and after that, we'll proceed with the award ceremony. So, because this debate is not just possible with the efforts of OC, it's you all, it's the TAB members, the committee members that have started, and with this initiative, with their help, this debate could be possible because was our first debate. So, starting, good evening, everybody. As the curtains to the Shastra British parliamentary draw close, we feel overwhelmed by the support the debating community has shown to us. It is believed that the path of initiative and learning is not strewn with roses. Ours was no different. Till the last week, the OC had doubts that whether we would be able to complete a decent amount of rooms or not. But we are in debt with your support that the debating committee community has shown to us. We're extremely grateful to our core adjudicator panel, Ms. Heeral, Mr. Samar Pratap Singh, Mr. Alain Christopher, and Mr. Manas Manohar Sulere for being a guiding lamp in our highs and lows from the genesis of this debate to making this a great ground reality. We are also obliged by the efforts of TAB team who ensured that the motions and draws are around the stipulated time and everyone has checked in and the adjudicators have filled the ballots. And not to forget the equity team's efforts, their untiring efforts while checking the clashes and complaints has made the organization a seamless execution. To the debaters and adjudicators who were with us in this tournament, I firmly believe you are not the same person you were when you joined this tournament. To the adjudicators and debaters waiting for the debate results, I would like to reiterate my points that I said in the inauguration ceremony. I said that in this debate you performed as you wished or not, to never stop learning. As in the world of debating, it's not day one, but one day. I also would like to give a special thanks to our Mr. Sagar Soni, who, even though was not a member of our society, was a great helper and also a great support because even though he had a very busy schedule, he helped us out of humanitarian causes. Thank you, Sagar Bhaiya. And at last, it would be wrong if I would not thank my OC members because you know that my first year people are actually writing their exams tomorrow. But even though they have exam tomorrow, they are with us. They are helping us in conducting of this debate. So thanks to my OC members. And also, lastly, from the heart, I would like to apologize if any of our actions and words have hurt you, have not been up to the mark which you have thought, and we do apologize for the delays that have been caused in both the days. We do hope to host this tournament in the years to come as we pass the baton to our juniors, and it will be a testament of our society's growth. With these words, I would like to call Mr. Anurag Shukla to say some lines on society's future goals and prospects. Thank you.
Thank you, Alokik. I hope I am audible.
Yes, you have it.
So, thank you for your kind words. And you have mentioned the motion very well. Now, I would like to introduce our debate society, Samvad. Our debate society, Samvad, is officially recognized society by Faculty of Commerce, Banaras Hindu University, where it is a student-led movement to encourage the debate culture to the students and other things to the students who are introvert type. Our main goal is that first of all, we like to encourage the talking speech with the stage fear to those introvert students who are hesitant to talk. Like this platform is for all those who are confident, but we would like to encourage to those students who think that this speaking culture is not for them. Those introvert ones, those who have fear of speaking, who stammer, who flutter. These are the students who I target. I would also like to mention that I would say that I'm proud to say that we are the third society, not in Banaras Hindu University, but in if we include all the colleges of Banaras, to conduct such type of British parliamentary debate. Also, as I have mentioned our earlier goal that to encourage the debating culture in Banaras Hindu University is our main goal. We have conduct weekly debates. We have conducted inter-faculty department debates. Also, we have conducted other types of debate like devil educates and other. Future plans are there with us. We will surely try to improve the debating culture and include more students with our aim. One request I would like to include is that We tried our best, our OC team, our educators, we tried our best, but we have released a feedback form with you. We would like to request that if please fill that form so that we can take it as a recommendation what else we can improve further. So I would like to thank you, all of you. Also, we will conduct such events in future also. Our social media pages are there. We will provide link. Please follow for the further updates. You name the platform, we are there. I would like to wish all of you best of luck. Guys, you are fantastic. I would say that I used to think that I can debate perfectly, but after seeing you, I will retrospect that opinion twice. I wish you a best of luck. Now I would like to call the co-educator panel to call out the winner.
Hi everyone, very good evening. I hope everyone's here. We can start with the closing ceremony. Before I start, couple of CA remarks. It was amazing seeing for Tarkshastra. Everyone in the OC was super cooperative, super available, and honestly, I think they have hunt us down at times to get the job done, and we were all losing hope given the registrations were super low. The season gets super weird with respect to exams happening, and also with respect to whatever is happening in the country at the moment. People are occupied, and for everyone to come together and still become a part of this was great, and I'm super thankful to every participant who showed up. Special thanks to all the IAs, SAs who showed up, pulled up last minute to judge for us. Thank you so much. For the equity team, Bhavya, Tanya, Urvashi, whoever I'm missing, I'm super sorry. But handling a tournament in which there are a bunch of novices and they're unaware, and being kind to them while telling them what's the right thing to do is in itself super hard. And I think for getting that job done, equity deserves own applaud. Post that, I'll try to keep it short, but honestly, as much I say about the tab team, it will be less, it will definitely fall lesser than what I should be saying about them. The reason for this is tab team has been so available, so generous, from the designing to everything else to actually pulling up things on time and no delays. Super grateful to everyone on tab. I can remember a couple of names: Prachi, Jannat, Chester, Deepak, Ridyansh. It seems like yesterday when I judged Ridyansh for the very first time in the circuit, and now he has come a long way and is part of TAP teams, and I'm super proud of him for that. With all of this said and done, I'd last thank all the co-CAs that I've had, and they were really, really nice. Manas has made some great motions in this tournament. Alan was extremely available and super kind, even in the middle of the night. And I extend my thanks to Summer as well for giving us his time, even when he was really, really busy and his schedule was super tight and he still showed up. Thank you so much to all my co-CAs for an amazing tournament. Welcome to the closing ceremony of Tark Shastra. First up, we have adjudicator awards. For adjudicator awards, we have a four-way tie in the second best adjudicator, starting with Rudra. Next second best adjudicator is Akarsh. Next up, we have Abhinaya and Artdeep. The best adjudicator for Tark Shastra 2026 is Athar Singhal. Congratulations.
Let's go with her.
All right. Up next in the award category, we have Novice Best Speakers.
Any
We
guess?
can move. Okay, for Novice Best Speaker, we have a four-way tie for the ninth Best Speaker, starting with Himesh. The next ninth Best Novice Speaker is Karan Chaudhary. The next ninth Best Speaker is Kamya Kartikeyan. And the next Ninth best novice speaker is Ambrose. Congratulations. For eighth best novice speaker, we have, so it's again fifth best speaker and we have a tie. So we have Sajal Saurav as our fifth best novice speaker. Then we have Arana as our fifth best novice speaker. Then we have Heidi. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing it right. For the next fifth best speaker in the novice category, we have Ashutosh Kumar. The next second best novice speaker is Bhavya Walia. Next up, we have Drishti Chaudhary, also the second best novice speaker. Next up, we have another second best speaker, Arjun Verma, with an average of 76. And next up, we have the best novice speaker, Mayank Mohan, with an average of 76.25. Congratulations. Now we have open best speakers. Oh, wait, we have novice grand finale first. So let's do this. Sure. All right. So for novice grand finale, do we have the chair here with us? NF chair, Abhinaya, are you here? No. Okay. So we have OG, on OG we have Atharv K Juniors. On OO we have Prem Ratan. On CG we have Please Don't Whip Us. And on CO we have The Act We Won't Share. The runner-ups are OO with a Yunnan call. And the winners for Novice Grand Finale are excuse me, opening Gov on a Yunnan call.
OG!
The finals best speaker for Novice was DPM on a split of 4-1. Congratulations. Manvi, it is for Novice finals. It is OG winner Yunnan and CO runner-ups Yunnan. Yes. All right. For open best speakers, we have a tie in 8 best speakers, and for 8 best speakers, we have Bhavya Walia. The next 8 best speaker is Drishti Chaudhary. Next up, we have another 8 best speaker, Arjun Verma. Next up, we have the 4th best speaker, again a tie, Mayank Mohan. The next 4th best speaker is Ujan Sarkar. Next is Robert Justin. Next up, we have another 4th best speaker, Udichi Singh. Congratulations. For top 3 speakers, the 3rd best open speaker is Alithya Chaudhary with an average score of 77. Congratulations. As our 2nd best open speaker, we have Harsh Sharma with an average score of 77.25. Congratulations. The best open speaker, if you guys have any guesses. For the open best speaker of Tarkshastra, Let's see. For the Open Best Speaker of Tark Shastra, we have Naman Ganguly with an average score of 78. Congratulations. All right. Let's move on to Open Grand Finale. Okay, let's stick to this slide for now. Do we have finals chair Athar with us?
Yeah, I'm here.
Hi Athar, would you like to announce Open Grand Finals?
Yeah, sure. So
Lovely.
hi everyone. Myself Athar. I was the chair for the Open Grand Finals of Turkshas 2026. On OG we had Monster UNCs. On opening opposition we have Nom Nom and Moshok. On CG we had Mayank hair care routine. On closing opposition we had Rajat is our third. Rajat is our third wheel. Let me just see the finals draw ones. On the panel, I had Akash, Arkadeep, Riva, and Rudra. On what was a very good debate and what was a very fruitful delve, we have runners up as at opening opposition, and the winners for the Turkshas 2026 are the side on opening government on a 3-2 close split. The final best speaker for the open grand finale of Turkshas 2026 are there's a 3-2 split between the Prime Minister and the opposition whip, and it's the Prime Minister, the final best speaker. Thank you so much. Congratulations to all the winners.